Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're well and feeling music by the reviews of all my tailors. So today I'm going to tell a paragraph about blueberry. So let's begin. The blueberry is a round shape, is a round figure in round, and the shape is small in size. The taste of blueberry is tangy. It's like a tangy, and people like it very much. Especially children like it very much. The color of blueberry is deep blue and or purple. It is very expensive in supermarkets. It mainly grows in cooler region and also in summer. It mainly grows in sunny areas. And the people from all ages like it very much. It is like by all people, and it is grown in all region all over the world, but not in Bangladesh and other South Asian countries. Blueberry is called the superfruit for its beautiful color and amazing taste. However, I like the blueberry very much. This is all about blueberry. Thank you for listening me. Okay, bye bye.